Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use every words, body words, and use indefinite pronouns with possessive adjectives. Let's begin with the key points. Totality with every words. Using nobody, anybody, and everybody. Real-life conversation. Using indefinite pronouns with possessives. Speaking practice. Summary. Totality with every words. Let's start with every words. We use these when we mean all people, all things, or all places. Everyone for all people. Everyone is ready for dinner. Everything for all things. Everything is clean now. Everywhere for all places. I looked everywhere for my phone. These words are always singular in grammar, but they talk about a whole group. Using nobody, anybody, and everybody. Now let's look at how we talk about people in both positive and negative ways. Everybody, for all people, it is used in positive sentences. Everybody enjoyed the party. Nobody, for no one, it makes the sentences negative. Nobody answered the door. Anybody, for any person, it is used in questions or negatives. Did anybody call me? I didn't see anybody. Real-life conversation. Everybody, nobody, anybody, they help us talk about groups of people naturally.
Is everybody coming to the family lunch?
Yes, everyone is bringing a dish.
Did anybody call Grandma yesterday?
No, nobody remembered. That's not good.
Don't worry, I'll call her now.
Using indefinite pronouns with possessives. We often use indefinite pronouns with possessive adjectives, especially when we don't know who the person is. Someone forgot their coat. Everybody brought their phone. Nobody finished their homework. There is used even when the person is just one, because we don't know if it's a man or a woman. It's natural English. Now say these with me. Someone left their umbrella. Anybody can bring their own lunch. Nobody did their part today. Speaking practice. Let's imagine a real situation. You're at a picnic with friends. Repeat after me these everyday examples that you can say. Everybody is having fun. Someone forgot their plate. Did anybody bring extra napkins? Nobody brought drinks. Summary. Today, you learned how to use everyone, everything, everywhere, for totality. Nobody, anybody, everybody, for different types of people. Indefinite pronouns, then, possessives. Someone forgot their keys. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.